everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carrie and the channel is all about Hawaii food and family, and today we're back in Mom's kitchen and we're doing something very simple because we actually have to make a lot of Spam Musubis for a golf tournament that's happening tomorrow. So I thought, why not film this process? And even though I made a Spam Musubi video about 2 years ago now, I thought it's just great to update everybody and to you know, the Spam Musubi in Hawaii is so popular that it's just great to have a recipe on hand. And I'm not really an expert at making Spam Musubis, but I think you've made a few in your time.
A few.
Have you made some Spam Musubis?
I've made some.
Okay.
It's been a minute.
It's been a minute. It's not like a go-to that we make all the time, but
actually Kathy is.
Yeah, my oldest sister, she makes a lot of Spam Musubi for her kids. So she's actually, yeah, she's a queen, but she's not with us today. So Mom is gonna take us on her her experience of how she makes Spam Musubi and how she makes her teriyaki sauce. And it's just a basic, simple recipe. So,
okay,
what do we need?
So we're gonna use just sugar, shoyu, and garlic. And if I had ginger, which I sadly
have to throw away,
I would put some fresh ginger. So you can actually make Spam Musubi with just plain Spam, fry it up and put it in your Musubi. But we're gonna make it teriyaki style today, okay? So we need, so it's always teriyaki sauce 2-to-1 ratio, 2 parts shoyu to 1 part sugar. So I have a half a cup of shoyu here. I minced up some garlic, maybe 1 or 2. It's it's up to you, your choice. So here's a half a cup of shoyu and 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Just getting our sauce ready for when we are ready to fry up our Spam. Okay.
And so, I remember you usually using like brown sugar or raw sugar. Why did you choose to use white sugar today?
It just dissolves faster and easier, you know, rather than having that. Okay, so I opened 1 can of Spam. We're gonna make 7 cans of Spam today.
A lot. And you bought, I see you bought a cutter. Where did you buy this from?
Went to Long's
and
I bought it.
So now we don't have to chop it by hand. So we'll see how handy this cutter is. And if you go to Long's, or if you live in Hawaii, you can see if this is what you would want to use for your Spam Musubi. Yay! Not bad.
9, 2.
So I guess this too will make it very even. So let us know too if you use if you make a lot of Spam Musubi and if you use a cutter. Are we going to use this last piece?
Yes, we're going to use every last piece.
Every little piece.
We can make 70.
Okay, so should we cut all the Spam first? Is that what you want to do first?
Sure.
Okay, and we're just using regular, not Spam Light. This is literally just regular Spam.
We do have a few cans of Spam.
Oh, there is.
I didn't know I was gonna provide all the Spam.
My sister asked me and my mom to each make Spam Musubi, so I just thought it'd be more efficient if we made it together, but she provided all the ingredients. So I know I haven't been posting as much, but this way.
The other way.
But I was gonna say that for those that watched our last video, we went camping. I wanted to ask you because at first Mom wasn't very excited to go camping. I asked her like the day before and she's like, no, not really. I don't know why you weren't excited, but what did you think of the camping experience that we had?
It was really fun. It was great to be with the whole family. It's just, you know, the sleeping and the bathrooming. Those are the challenges that those are the challenges we face, of course.
But didn't it bring you back to your childhood?
Yeah, I mean, you know, it was never that much fun to talk to you. But I have to say, Bello's bathrooms were very clean, very clean, and the swimming was wonderful. It was great, yeah.
Yeah, the swimming was fun.
Swimming was so
And
fun.
the kids had a really good time. I think for them, that's what makes this experience. So maybe now as parents, then you realize that you do it because of the next generation. You want to help? Okay, hold on. Let me get the stool, okay? I gotta bring the stool back. Okay, and then we gotta wash your hands. Okay, we have another helper that wants to come and be a part of the experience. So, Ellie, you want to help? Okay, all you're going to do is push down, okay? Push. Whoa, don't hold here. Hold here. Okay, go. Ellie, push. Push here and you go all the way down. Whoa, look. And then it cuts it. Whoa, you want to eat it? Ellie really likes to help in the kitchen now, or basically do whatever I'm doing. So it's good. I think this is a good age because she just likes to help, to feel helpful. But Mom, would you want to go camping again? Did you say next year? We already booked it.
We booked it. Sure, of course. We booked it. We bought our tents.
Yeah.
We bought our mattress.
Since it's been so many years, oh wait, hold on.
Watch your finger.
Since it's been so many years, we had to buy all new things. Yeah, it's been a long time.
Can I do?
You wanna do it?
Yes.
Okay. Help mommy push down. Wait, no, you only put your finger on the pink part. Okay. Push. Yay! So Grandma, I did it.
I did it.
Good job, Ellie.
Ready for the
Yeah,
sauce.
What's the sauce?
Look, Ellie, watch. Grandma's gonna put the sauce. Did you try the sauce before? To make sure it's good.
It's good. It's good.
Okay. Ellie, please don't fall off the stool, okay?
Wow.
Wow. Wait. Okay.
So that's what?
Ellie, you wanna come wash your hands?
Yeah.
After browning both sides of the Spam, pour a little bit of sauce onto each piece of Spam and cook until the sauce soaks into the Spam. So anyway, I was surprised at how well the camping video did, just because I didn't think that many people were interested in camping, but apparently a lot of people are interested in camping. So let me know if you guys go camping. I really enjoyed the experience. Even being at the time 30 weeks pregnant, we were super uncomfortable, I think, for me in general, just so hot. But
Turn this down.
I enjoyed it through
Yeah,
seeing it through my child's eyes.
Have to show you.
So that's the reason. Oh, this one.
It smells so good.
And she keeps talking about it, and she wants to do like crab hunting again, and she wants to go to the beach again, and so I know that it was a worthwhile experience for all of us.
Okay, we have to make more shoyu.
So to make the musubis, start by making sure you have a bowl or pan of warm water and salt for your rice paddle and musubi maker. Next, place the nori underneath the musubi maker and place the musubi maker on the nori and add rice gently, and then you're going to add Spam. Since this was my first musubi of the day, I realized I pushed on the rice a little bit too much in the musubi maker, so I didn't really have room to put the lid on to take off the musubi maker, but I learned from my experience and it got better after that.
The idea is you put it loosely in and then you're gonna push it.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot there's a top.
Yeah, so now, so I guess I can put enough here.
Ah, there's our Spam Musubi. And then you just close it. It's a little hot. Are we supposed to wait till the rice is cooler? So after you take the musubi out of the mold, make sure to use the warm salt water to close the nori on both sides and pull it tight. Cut in half or in fourths in our case, and enjoy. Okay, here is, it's not, I feel like we have to push it down more. It's kind of messy looking. Come, stand up over here.
I'll put it.
Oh. Good. Sounds right. Can't really go wrong.
I think you want to put a little bit more of the salt water on the rice.
And try. Wait, it's a little warm.
Can I hold it?
You want to hold it? Sure. And hold it.
Mm.
Oh. How is it?
Good.
Good? Do a thumbs up. So less rice, Mom said. Also got furikake, so that is like a special edition, I guess you can say. My mom has this one from Trader Joe's. Why did you say you like this one? Because it doesn't have
No preservatives.
there's no preservatives.
Very clean.
So we'll add some here.
It's made in Japan, if you look.
I've always liked furikake in my Spam Musubi, so. And then we will add some spam. So because this is the onigiri nori too, it's not like it doesn't come out like a crispy, you know, like crispy nori. It's like a,
It's not sushi nori.
it's not sushi nori. And we're going to push it down. I feel like this part could have been tighter. And fold over. Adding less rice to each musubi actually made it a lot more flavorful, so I would recommend doing that if you're planning to make musubis soon. After we did that, we wrapped each one individually since we were packing this for golfers for a golf tournament. Okay, so we are finally done making all of the musubis. They're ready tomorrow. This is the final product. Mom is just putting them in the container. Say hi.
Hi.
How was the process?
It was good.
It was longer than we thought it would take.
But we learned some things along the way.
We did it. What did you learn about making Spam
I
musubi?
learned that when you have to make enough teriyaki sauce if you're gonna do teriyaki.
Oh, what was the rice proportion?
It's 2 parts shoyu to 1 part sugar. And of course we added in garlic for extra flavor.
That's a teriyaki sauce,
Right.
right?
And if we had ginger, we would have grated some ginger and put that in as well.
No, but like how much rice do we actually have to end up
We
making?
made 18 cups of rice.
18 cups of rice for 60, it's about 60?
Well, it's actually
60 full size.
60 full size musubi.
60 full-size musubis. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed our little adventure in the kitchen today. I'm sure a lot of people make Spam Musubi and a lot of people make it better than us, but I just wanted to share with you a little bit of our day, and I will see you guys in the next video. And Ellie, you want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye.
Good job, Ellie.
Yeah, Dad, how was the musubi? Did you try it?
Oh, it was delicious. Oh. Best musubi I've eaten.
Yes.
That's the right thing
That's
to
the right thing to
say.
say.
Good job.
Okay, we will see you guys in the next one, and see you guys later. Bye.